Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Pachysandra is probably one of the most popular and versatile ground covers for shady areas, offering a lush, evergreen carpet that suppresses weeds and adds year-round beauty to your landscape. Its attractive, glossy leaves create a dense mat, making it an excellent choice for difficult-to-grow spots under trees or along north-facing walls, providing a low-maintenance yet visually appealing solution for gardeners seeking to enhance their outdoor spaces with minimal effort and maximum impact. Number 5. Outsidepride Perennial White Dutch Clover Seed, 5 pounds. Discover our premium white clover seeds, perfect for a variety of uses. They are ideal for erosion control, creating a lush lawn alternative, enriching pastures, and preparing food plots. This versatile seed is suitable for homeowners, gardeners, landscapers, farmers, and wildlife managers alike. Our seeds are specially treated with nitrocoating and inoculation to ensure superior germination and enhance soil health. They naturally boost soil nitrogen, promoting robust plant growth. This makes them an excellent choice for lawns, gardens, pastures, and cover crop mixes. These seeds thrive in a wide range of climates, from full sun to partial shade, making them suitable for various regions. They are great for spring or fall planting, lawn renovation, pasture improvement, and sustainable ground cover, providing lush growth and reliable coverage. Seeding is simple. Disperse the seeds on prepared soil, lightly rake, and keep moist. You can plant them alone or mix them with other seeds. Expect quick germination within 14 days under optimal conditions. Enjoy beautiful white blooms as these perennial plants grow to a manageable height of 8 to 12 inches. They are perfect for eco-friendly lawn alternatives, soil improvement, and creating a drought-tolerant lawn that naturally supports healthier soil. What we like? This option is great for covering large areas and improving soil health. If you're looking for a sustainable lawn alternative or need to prevent erosion on slopes, this is an excellent choice. It's also ideal for farmers and wildlife managers. What people say. The plants arrived healthy and well-rooted, with vibrant green foliage. They established quickly in my garden, spreading nicely to fill in bare spots. Pachysandra is a great ground cover, suppressing weeds effectively and requiring minimal maintenance. Number 4. Outsidepride Splash Select Rose Hypoestes Seeds. These plants are ideal for smaller gardens, containers, or hanging baskets, reaching a manageable height and spread. Proper spacing ensures they grow healthily without becoming overcrowded. They flourish in shaded areas, making them perfect for those less sunny spots in your garden or indoors. They adapt well to low-light conditions, bringing life to darker corners. Known for their striking, rose-colored polka-dotted leaves, these plants add a unique and dynamic splash of color. Their variegated foliage creates an eye-catching display wherever they are planted. These plants are wonderfully versatile, growing beautifully both indoors and outdoors. They can enhance shaded garden beds, brighten up low-light indoor spaces, or complement mixed plantings in containers. Planting is simple. Sow seeds in moist, well-drained soil and keep them consistently watered until germination, which usually happens within 7 to 14 days. With a little care, you'll enjoy vibrant foliage all season long. Whether you want to add a pop of color to your garden or liven up your home, these seeds adapt easily. They provide vibrant visual appeal throughout the year, bringing life and beauty to any setting. What we like? This plant offers unique, colorful foliage that stands out. If you have shady spots in your garden or want to brighten up indoor spaces, this is perfect. It's also well suited for containers and small gardens. What people say. The plants arrived healthy and well-rooted, ready for planting. They established quickly in my garden and are already spreading nicely. This ground cover is very effective at suppressing weeds and creating a lush green carpet. Number 3. Outsidepride Purpletop Verbena Seeds. Experience a breathtaking array of tiny rosy violet flowers that bloom profusely all summer. These bright, fragrant blossoms create a striking visual impact, filling your garden with color and beauty for an extended period. These plants are easy to grow and quickly establish themselves in your garden. Enjoy a low-maintenance, high-impact garden with minimal effort. They excel in regions with hot, dry conditions and grow under full sun. These drought-tolerant seeds are perfect for low-maintenance gardens, withstanding intense heat and minimal watering. Their natural deer deterrent trait ensures your flowers stay intact. Additionally, their attractive blooms draw in beneficial pollinators like bees and butterflies, creating a healthier garden. Whether planting in window boxes, borders, or rock gardens, these easy care plants adapt to a variety of settings. With fast germination, you'll enjoy a stunning, colorful garden display with minimal effort. What we like. This choice provides abundant, vibrant blooms throughout the summer and is very low maintenance. If you live in a hot, dry climate or want to attract bees and butterflies to your garden, this is a fantastic option. It's also deer-proof. What people say. The plants arrived healthy and well-rooted, with vibrant green foliage. They established quickly in my garden, spreading nicely to fill in bare spots. The Pachysandra provided excellent ground cover, suppressing weeds effectively. Number 2. Pachysandra Terminalis Green Carpet Ground Cover, 100 Bare Root Plants. Discover the lush beauty of green carpet Pachysandra. This offer includes 100 heavily rooted plants, ready to establish a dense, vibrant ground cover. Each of the 100 plants in this collection is heavily rooted. This ensures a strong start for your new ground cover. Achieve a beautiful, low-maintenance ground cover with ease. These plants are perfect for filling in spaces and suppressing weeds. Enjoy the rich, evergreen foliage that defines this variety. It provides year-round color and texture to your landscape. This package provides you with 100 bare root plants. They are carefully prepared to ensure they arrive ready for planting. Transform your garden with this generous supply of Pachysandra. Let them create a stunning green carpet effect. What we like. This option provides a very established and dense ground cover quickly. If you need immediate, lush coverage for shady areas and want an evergreen solution that requires minimal maintenance, this is the one to consider. What people say. The plants arrived healthy and well-rooted, ready for planting. They established quickly in my garden and are already spreading nicely. This ground cover is very low maintenance and looks great year-round. Number 1. Pixies Gardens Pachysandra Terminalis Japanese Spurge. Introducing a beautiful evergreen ground cover that thrives in various conditions. It's perfect for adding lush greenery to your garden year-round. This plant, known as Japanese Spurge, offers a dense and attractive foliage. It spreads nicely to fill in spaces, creating a carpet of green. You'll receive 50 bare root plants, providing an excellent value for establishing a full ground cover. Get started on your landscaping project with plenty of material. In late spring, enjoy delicate surprises as it produces small, 1 to 2 inch white spikes. These subtle blooms add a touch of elegance to the greenery. This variety, Pachysandra terminalis, is a reliable choice for gardeners. Its hardy nature makes it a low-maintenance addition to any outdoor space. From Pixies Gardens, you can expect quality plants ready to grow. We aim to bring you the best for your gardening needs. What we like. This plant offers a classic evergreen ground cover with delicate white blooms in late spring. If you're looking for a reliable, low-maintenance evergreen for shady spots and prefer a more traditional look, this is a solid choice. The bare root format can be very cost-effective. What people say. The plants arrived healthy and well-rooted, ready for planting. They established quickly in my garden and are already spreading nicely. This ground cover is very effective at suppressing weeds and creating a lush carpet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.